Heidi ho, people. It's another Thursday. And you know what that means? That means it's giveaway time. Today's giveaway is giveaway number 3. You need to answer the question on the Google Doc that is going to be linked in the description box below. If you're on a smart TV, you'll have to move over to your phone or to your computer or your tablet to get to the description box. Find the link to the giveaway. Answer the question by Sunday midnight on August 15th. Midnight my time, Pacific Standard Time. It is open to everybody in the world. I will ship everywhere because an envelope to other places doesn't cost me that much. And yeah, so absolutely open to everyone. Make sure you put in your email address and answer the question. Today's question, oh, I should have grabbed one of these. Let me, goodness. I am unprepared. What else is new? What else is new? I need to find one of these patterns that I did that had multiple days, like this one. Okay. Okay, so do you like it when I combine multiple patterns on one piece of art? Is the question. And if I do draw on more than one pattern on one piece, do you prefer one long video because it makes it a very long video, like an hour, hour and a half? Or do you like it where I broke it up into more than one day? Like this one, I broke up into more than one day. So you have cycle in the middle, then you have Meshuggah, and then you have zero in. And I did them on 3 different days. Do you like it that way? Do you like it all in one big video? Or do you just prefer that I do one pattern at a time, which would be more like the ones that are going to be in this envelope? Here's the envelope for giveaway number 3. You'll get a nice pink envelope, and you'll get that one. That one's Queasy on Hydration Day. You may or may not have seen that yet. I don't know. Some of these, because I draw so far in advance and because of life, you may not have seen some of these yet. So that's kind of a sneak preview too. There's a swirling tie. There's a swirling rose. These are all one pattern, you know, Jujube, Flea, they're all done as one pattern. But that other one, I did 3 on a page. So that's my question. I want to know, do you like it when I combine multiple patterns on one piece of art? And if I do draw more than one, would you like one long video or you like them broken up over several days? That's the question. Answer that question. All those responses will be put into a random generator and I will randomly pick a winner. All winners will be notified on that Monday. So if it's like this one is August 15th to be entered in the giveaway, on Monday the 16th, I will inform the winner of who won. And at the I don't think I'm going to come on every single day or every single week and show you the winners every time, but I will at the end, after the 5 weeks, I will tell you all the winners all together. That'd be easier. Easier for me anyway. Okay, so that's it. Announcement for giveaway number 3, and good luck to you. Remember that you can enter all 5 giveaways, but if you are a winner, I didn't say this in the earlier videos. Oh gosh, I need to say this. If you are a winner of one of the previous ones, you can't win twice, but you can enter, you know, you can't win more than one time, but you can enter multiple weeks. Does that make sense? So if you were the winner of week number 1, don't enter week 2 or 3 or 4 because you're not going to win. You can only win once altogether. But you can enter multiple times to have a chance to win one of the 5. Okay? I hope that makes sense. You guys have a great day. Do something nice for someone today. Give away your art and make people happy. I'm going to take some of my art with me when I go on vacation. I'm going to put it in a little box and put my name on the back and stuff. And I'm just going to leave it random places. I love to abandon my art, and I have so much of it to give away. I love it. I just find it very satisfying, and I suggest it. It makes people happy. I will see you guys later. You guys have a great day, and I'll be back. Bye-bye.